Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're re-diving into a topic that's super important but often overlooked, giving your makeup bag a much-needed refresh. I know, it's hard to part with that favorite eyeshadow palette or that perfect shade of lipstick, even if you've had it since forever. But trust me, regularly replacing your old makeup is one of the best things you can do for your skin, your health, and even the final look of your makeup. Think of it as a seasonal closet clean-out, but for your face. So why is this so crucial? First and foremost, let's talk about expiration dates. Yes, just like the food in your fridge, your makeup has a shelf life. Over time, the preservatives in these products break down, turning them into a perfect breeding ground for bacteria. Using expired products, especially things that go near your eyes like mascara and eyeliner, can lead to some really unpleasant issues like irritation, breakouts, styes, and even infections. It's just not worth the risk. That little open jar symbol on the packaging, that's your guide. It tells you how many months the product is good for after you open it. Pay attention to it. Now, let us get to the fun part. How replacing old makeup actually helps your makeup look asterisk. The secret is that your skin isn't static, it changes. It changes with the seasons, with age, and with your lifestyle. The foundation that was a perfect match for your sun-kissed summer skin might look too dark and cakey in the middle of winter. Your skin might have become drier or oilier, meaning that matte foundation you once loved now either highlights dry patches or can't control your shine anymore. By regularly reassessing your products, you give yourself the chance to find formulas that truly complement your current skin condition. Maybe you need a more hydrating concealer now, or perhaps a cream blush would give your drier winter skin a more natural, dewy glow than the powder you used all summer. It's all about adapting to what your face needs, asterisk, right now, asterisk. When your products are working asterisk with asterisk, your skin, instead of against it, the application is smoother, the finish is more seamless, and the overall look is so much more flattering and natural. Think about the texture and performance of old products. 2. Have you ever tried to use a dried-out mascara? It's clumpy, flaky, and impossible to apply smoothly. An old, dried-up cream shadow will tug at your delicate eyelids and look patchy. Lipsticks can change texture and not apply as richly. When you use fresh products, you're getting the formula as the creators intended it to be. Vibrant, blendable, and effective. You get the best possible color payoff and the most beautiful finish. So, how do you do it? I recommend doing a makeup clean-out every 6 months. Go through everything. If you can't remember when you bought it, it's probably time to toss it. Be ruthless. For liquids and creams like foundation, concealer, and mascara, the window is usually 3 to 6 months. For powders like eyeshadows and blushes, you can get a year or 2, but you still need to check them for changes in smell or texture. This isn't just about throwing things away. It's an opportunity to rediscover your style and find new holy grails that make you feel amazing. It's a form of self-care. You're ensuring your skin stays healthy while also making sure your makeup application is flawless. Your face will thank you, and your makeup will look better than ever. I hope this inspires you to go through your own collection. Let me know in the comments if you have any tips for organizing your makeup, or if you've recently discovered a new favorite product after tossing an old one. It's so much fun to share. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.